Okay, in the last video, I showed you how to download applications. We walked through downloading HBO Max. In this video, I want to show you how to delete and or update applications. So let's assume you're on the home screen and let's say you have, you're using too much too much storage and you need to clear some space, or you're just doing a regular maintenance here. I'll show you where to update applications and where to delete them from. So if an application is installed from the Google Play Store, that's where you're going to go to update and or delete it. If you downloaded it through like APK Pure, then you can go to your APK Manager, and that's where you would see different applications. Some of them, like we just installed HBO Max on Google Play, that'll also show up here, but applications downloaded outside of Google Play will show up here. So basically everything shows up in APK Manager, and then just Google Play applications will show up in Google Play. So you can uninstall from here, but for the purpose of the video, let's go back to Google Play. And then let's back out to like the avatar. I'm just gonna cut down real quick just to not give away, emails and stuff like that. And I'll creep back up. So manage apps and device, click that. All right, now that you're in here, you can go to manage. And this is where you're gonna see Max is gonna be, where is Max? I don't know if I passed it. There we go. Max Stream. So you can click this and delete it from here. Or you can go back and overview, and you can see what updates are available. Like I would always do with my iPhone, I would just update the ones that are necessary, that have a lagging performance just due to how apps work. I wouldn't necessarily recommend updating apps unless there was a need for it. So like I wouldn't update these other ones because these aren't even installed on your device. They're just on your Google account. So like Netflix, you can update that if that has issues. If everything's working all fine, then I would just not update unless it's necessary. And that's just kind of like my rule of thumb on my iPhone as well. So simple as that. You can also do it through APK Manager, and you would just see your applications here, and you essentially just uninstall them. If you download it through APK Pure, you can go there and then navigate to your desired application, just download/update to the latest software version. So it's really simple. I'll show you how to delete an app real quick, just HBO Max. So we'll go to manage. We're gonna go, right down here. We're gonna select HBO Max and then hit the delete icon, uninstall. Right, it'll disappear. And then let's navigate home. You'll see it's disappeared from my quick toolbar, and it's no longer accessible there. It's because it's been deleted. It's really that simple to download applications. And yeah, so if you're ever running low on storage, feel free to do that.